welcome. Thanks for watching. I'm Brad. I have built POSTaxPro for the last few years now. It's been a while. It's been a wild adventure. Guys, I'm excited to be rolling this thing out. I had initially just built it out for my own business. I was tired of all the platforms out there, Quickbooks. Tried so many and they just didn't work for my business. I was so tired of not being able to do what I need to do and limited by their restrictions, and I just said enough is enough. It's time to get my own program built to be able to really manipulate it for my own business, and this is what I've done, you guys. I built this program, and it's not only manipulatable for my business, but it's manipulatable for any business. It gives you full control. You can manipulate it for your company's needs. You can delete canceled orders. It's a POS software, so it's point of sale. You can do a sale right there with the person right in front of you or over the phone. When you do the POS, it will write up a PDF order. It automatically sends the email to your customer if you put their email in there. It will automatically roll into your Google Sheets and roll up into all of your financials. It has inventory control, tax financial statements for the end of the year. It automatically pulls transactions from your bank. You can know exactly where you are at any moment. It'll tell you today's P&L, profit and loss, and it'll also tell you 6 months from now, profit and loss. So I'm going to just kind of dive in here into some of the features that it has, and I'm going to try to go through this very quick. This is just an overview. We have in-depth tutorials on each section, how it works, and what you need to do to set it up for your own business. Pride ourselves on the support that we're going to give. We want everybody to be able to make this work for their business, that they do it. We understand you guys may not know coding and all that stuff. You don't need to. It's already done for you. You just need to change simple things that are going to be relevant for your business, and we're going to show you exactly how to do that once you buy the program. And so let's just dive in. So here's your system here, and once you do an order, you're going to find your orders will actually be in a folder like this, and then you can click on your folder and see any order that you'd like. Probably won't use this much, that section, but let's dive in. This is where you're going to write an order, so we're going to do a quick one here. John and if I put John's email in there, john@me.com, I don't know who that's going to go to, but you can put their phone number, all their stuff. As you write this order, we're going to say free local delivery. We're going to do quantity 1, and then we're going to put in the item number. Here's going to be your price list. So you're going to want to put in one of the item numbers you have from your price list and put it into that section. So we're going to sell that item. As halfway down, you're going to find there's a section that says special order item. You can write in a special order item. This box, nobody will see what you're putting in, so you could say the manufacturer item number that you don't want them to see, MF2013 or whatever, BK. All right, and we're gonna say full, okay, black. We're gonna say a frame. We're selling frame, whatever. All right. After we do all the details we wanted, follow the prompts, select who's the sales rep. If you have any order notes, is it getting paid by card and cash? If you want a discount, we're going to discount it $50. All right, we submit it. Now that we've submitted this order, you're going to find here in the next tab, it should be populating. See here, we just populated this new order, and it's going to have all the details right here in this sheet, so you can always come back here and reference any order all at the same time. And then also, as you kind of come all the way over here, you're going to find here's the order, and it's still populating. It's going to be here in just a second. There's John's new PDF order it created, and how I can print this order or do whatever I need to do, right? But you can change all of this according to your own needs. So you have created that order. In here, you're going to find that there's a section that says order profit. So it'll automatically calculate the order profit that you had on this specific order. So you will always know how much you're making on every deal. Once you are done with your order, at some point you're going to need to reorder inventory. Well, this would be the section under here under orders where you would create a new order, and this would allow you to put in, hey, we're gonna get one more of these to order in onto the system. That way we replace the old one that we sold. We'll put the order total here. This will put in a item here, which will show 0 because we sold one and then we replenished one into our system. Now this is tracking inventory, which is a really nice feature. Next, guys, I want to show you one other thing really nice about this feature. It's going to break down sales, profit, total profit, inventory, what your inventory cost is for that month, sales tax, so you can pay your sales tax reports. It's also going to show your sales reps, so you'll know exactly how much commission they made on their deal. So Jamie did a $900 sale. He profited $500. He gets paid 10% commission on his sales. So you need to cut him a check for $5.86 for that month. It's already laid out. Everything's here, everything you need. Every time you do an order, it'll be placed into here. You can see all your orders, and then also your bank transactions will be pulled automatically. So once you have your bank transaction pulled, here, we have a system that will automatically categorize all of your transactions and put them into the right category, which will then reflect here. And this is all manipulatable for your own company. So you're going to put in your own parameters of where do you want this transaction to, when it comes in, to go to. You'll know how to do that. So it'll go into your system will reflect, and you'll say, oh, my manual order I put into my system was $900. The charge that actually came through the bank was $900. I didn't get overcharged from the vendor. We're good. And you can track all of your expenses. You can do your personal expenses, whatever you would like, guys. Once you have everything tracked at the end of the year or at any given time, my business start date is 9/1 and ends on 8/31. So this is my financial statement according to my 9/1 to 8/31 financial. So it will have total sales, beginning inventory, add or lost inventory, purchases, ending inventory, total cost of sales, gross profit. And then it will have all of your different categories of what you spent money on that year for business, and it will give you a net profit or loss. So all you have to do here, guys, print this out, send it to your accountant. It's as easy as that. One of the nicest things about this program that we have here also is the rolling balance feature. Guys, this program is jam-packed with tons and tons of things that you can do. I'm scratching the surface on the things that are most important in your business. The things that you need. You need to be able to write an order. You need to be able to track your inventory. You need to know where you're at financially. This system right here is going to allow you to know, hey, as of 9/1/2022, my balance is negative $2,000. And as I do sales, but as I do store sales, it will change this. It'll say, okay, instead of, we had a $2,000 bill here, we had $900, so now we're negative $2,900. And then you'll do a store sale, receivables. Now I was negative $4,000 here, but I'm only 19. So you can get a rolling balance of where you're going to be. And when you have a lot of transactions, a lot of bills, and a lot of receivables, it's going to be really nice to know that you can go out till the end of the year and see exactly, after I've done all this, after I have all these receivables that come in versus all of my bills that have come in, how much money will I actually have? And it's going to allow you to see where exactly you're at. Guys, now you can forecast your finances. Now you can be in the know. Now you don't have to prepare at the end of the year and say, hey, I better do my taxes for my accountant. I better get my numbers ready. It's already ready. You just print it and you send it to them. The basics is all you really have to do is continue to add in your products, put in your product orders, and it'll all be done for you. You don't need to overthink it in this system. I know there's a lot of tabs here and you're thinking, what are all these things for? Well, guys, this allows you to track your finances every single month. So when you have a change, you can go over and make the change and you update it for each month. And you'll know, oh, well, in October, we actually made a change of the username. Now we're not using this, we're using that. And that will be brought forward on every single month. The good thing is you can stay in the know. You'll know exactly where you were financially in December. And you will know how you were doing in January. You'll know how you're doing in February from a real broke down situation. Instead of guessing, you'll know what months are doing good for you, where you're at, why you were at where you were at during that month, because you'll have a full picture of every single month. This is a program that if you really want to know where you're at and you want to be able to build it for your own business and not be dealing with scraping around for all these receipts at the end of the year and just be in the know, this is the program for you. I hope you guys like what we've put out so far, and I hope to have you along on the team, and we can hopefully solve your finance issue, all of your tax problems, and get you into a system that's going to be working for you for many years to come. All right, guys, thanks for watching.